My darlings, please watch this video. Ngwano, watch and wear well again. Film am again, watch am again. Just watch the video. Film am where. Bandera! The young men in this ceremony are Abiriba's sons who traveled from overseas back home to take part in the important cultural rite called Ibano. This alone shows how deeply the Abiriba value their traditions, no matter where they live in the world. The Ibano tradition is an important coming of age ceremony practiced by the Abiriba people of Abia State. Ibano is similar to the Ipuogo or Ipuegbale manhood initiation practiced by the Mboro people, which recently attracted public attention. These traditions all serve the same purpose: to prepare young boys mentally, spiritually, and culturally for adulthood. In Abiriba, Ibano is the very first step a male child must complete before he can be accepted into any age grade system or given responsibilities in the community. Age does not matter. A boy can perform this rite as early as 6 years old because the goal is not age or early character formation. The philosophy behind Ibano is very deep. Now, Abiriba elders believe that just as birds are fast, smart, and alert in order to survive, a young man must also develop courage, focus, and survival skill early in life. The idea is simple. If a young man cannot overcome small challenges, how will he face bigger ones in life? In this context, killing a lion does not mean physical violence, but the ability to confront and overcome life's hardship. From childhood, Abiriba children are taught to be brave, determined, and ambitious. This foundation was carefully laid by their forefathers to ensure that every generation grows up with confidence, discipline, and a strong sense of responsibility. What is especially striking is how much Abiriba people cherish their tradition. Oh, I love it. You see, many parents living abroad make special efforts to bring their children back home just to participate in these rites. This shows a powerful commitment to preserve culture and passing it on to the next generation, even in a modern and globalized world. Ndị Igbo, unu value culture, unu. Most of you know the church. I'm going to do an exposition on this topic. Ndị Igbo, you should value your culture. Unu kpere hala church, ishe kofu unu. Umunnu na who your enemies. Anyways, let's continue. This strong attachment to tradition is something widely seen among the Abia North and Old Bend the Igbo communities, including Abiriba, Arochukwu, Ohafia, Mkporo, Eda, Abam, Item, Eli, Ugweke, Ezukwu, Umuhezechi, Umuimenye, Ozitem, Mpa ihe Chowa, Ụtụtụ, Ndị Igbo, Okopodi, and Ntalakwo. See, these communities are known not only for their wealth and enterprise, but also for their firm commitments to preserving Igbo customs and values. You see, in the whole of Nigeria, Abia State will be safest place. And do you know why? These communities have been udo, like unity. Ndị Igbo, we should embrace unity. We should embrace our culture. Most of the problem I nwege na ihapụrụ omenala anyị mewe omenelu mewe ihe ndị ụka. Ekwala m na I'm going to make an exposition on this. Anyị kwesịrị ijideshi our tradition ike. Ihe anyị wee hapụ tradition anyị mere anyị arụ. I'm telling you, one of the major problems ndị Igbo na-enwe today. The Abiriba community, popularly called Small London, but known by its people as a natural ancient kingdom, has preserved its traditions for over 600 years. This long history proves that progress and tradition can coexist. Ndị Igbo, this is an important lesson. Culture is identity. See, when traditions are preserved, a people remain grounded, confident, and united. See, as the world continues to change, it is important for Igbo people everywhere to protect practice, and pass on their traditions so that future generations will always know who they are and where they come from. Una hapusila tradition no. And I'm a lot of ya na agba mma. Why? When I make money every year, in fact, every month I na agba mma na my house. No long every month. I'm ludio, and all of them. See, if my husband is not a traditional man, I'm not getting married to anybody now. We get me na love more for me. I'm a traditional woman. No. Hey. Don't forget to register for our Igbo class. If you don't know how to speak Igbo or your kids don't know how to speak Igbo, rush now and register. And our content creation class is still on. Don't forget to DM me. I'm just a DM away. Bye.
Allow him, just relax. PDD. Yeah.
Jaman mano. Asam Iguro, Maya, Natusa, Bandea. Jaman mano. Asam Iguro, Maya, Natusa, Bandea.